What is up, everybody? This is my first video on YouTube. Today I will be showing you how to get iOS 14 on your phone. So let's get started. So guys, first before you watch this video, I have a link into the description below on what supported devices are on iOS 14, just to let you know, guys. So yeah, and yeah guys, so this is my first video on YouTube, so the camera lens might be bad. It is bad actually. I'm gonna have to always. So yeah guys, so first we're gonna go to Safari. Then you have to use Safari, guys. Anyways, we're gonna go to a link that's on the description below. So yeah, it's called betaprofiles.com. Here you can download Apple beta software. So I'm gonna go down. If you're on phone, press download on the iOS. If you're on iPad, press on the iPad OS. They might be plus, like together on iPad. So yeah. So you press download on the iOS 14, iOS 1, whatever device are you on. Press it. Then go to settings. Go to profile, download it, install, type in your passcode, install, then I don't know what it's doing again to me, but then when you press install, whatever, I've already installed it, so I don't actually need to install it again. But when you press install, then press done. Sorry guys. Then go to general, software update. I'm already updated to iOS 14, but then you will see your update and then update to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you can't miss other help videos or Apple videos I make. And I'll see you guys next time.